I wanted to make a video again about closing doors. If you're having trouble closing a door, now in my other room, I had a spring placed on my hinge, so I didn't have to worry about the door closing. But in this room, I don't have a spring yet. It seems like they don't have the right hinge or the right size of hinge. I don't know, but they don't have one yet. So I'm going to have to wait a while. It seems like they even have to have one especially made for this door. So that's going to be a while. But what I did in the meantime is I purchased, now it doesn't have to be this color, it can be any color, but I bought some rope. It's a plastic rope. And what I did was I braided it. I made some knots in it. I made a loop. At the top, I left space for a loop. And I put it over my doorknob. Now, this can be a round doorknob or it can be a lever doorknob, so it doesn't matter. But I just put it over the doorknob, and that's the way I close my door in this room because it was becoming a pain. So that's what I did, and this is just really cheap, a piece of rope, and I just braided it so it looked nice, I guess. But that's what I did. It's plastic, it's synthetic, and it just looks nice than just a piece of rope hanging there. And I just made it look, just braided and hung it there so that I could close the door. So if any of you are still having trouble closing your door, this is another way to do it.